Hi, Jim Robinson at ProfitTrading.com. It's just it's September 24th, 2009. I saw this December up there and I almost said December. But we're going to take a look at the December cocoa daily chart. This is the Keltner Channels, and this is the 50-day moving average. And basically what we're going to see here is just that how these indicators can help you see the trend of the market. And like I keep saying in some of my past videos, the trend overrides everything. Like you'll see bearish divergence, you'll see this, you'll see that. You'll have like a big down day like this in cocoa, and then the next thing you know, it's the buyer stepped in and pushed it up. So basically, the overall trend is the biggest thing you want to keep track of in trading, and try to follow the trend. That will put you ahead of 90% of the other traders. Now on the Keltner Channels, here it's above the Keltner Channels, which means the buyers are in control. That's a sign of strength. And then the middle line is the 20-day moving average, and then the lower line is a percent band of the 20. I can't remember what it is on the Keltner Channels. It's a little different than the Bollinger Bands. But anyway, these are going to be support areas. For minor support, you can look at the middle Keltner Channel line, and then for major support, for like a bigger correction, a more meaningful correction like this one here on cocoa, look for the lower band area. Now again, these are just areas. Support is just an area. It's not going to necessarily be like it's going to hit the lower band and just stop there. But if you're bullish this market and you think it's in an uptrend, and you see like this down here, cocoa trading just below the lower band, that might be a buying opportunity. And then it came back up here, and continued the trend, and then here it did stop right at the lower band pretty much. And now cocoa's traded back above the Keltner Channels, and again, that's a sign of strength. That's a sign the buyers are in control. So all these different price bars, if you get too caught up in looking at each individual bar, it can throw you off. Like you'll see this bar and you'll think, oh, that's a top. It's a reversal bar. And if you watch the action intraday, I try to just not watch it too much during the day. I'm more of an end-of-day trader, and I think the less you watch the price action, the better off you are. So we'll just wrap this one up for now, but that's a little lesson on the Keltner Channels. And then the 50-day moving average kind of helps confirm what the Keltner Channels are saying. So if this is a nice combination to see the trend of a market and help you stay on the right side of a market. So thank you very much for listening to my video. I greatly appreciate it. And this is Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.